This is an insanely weird person named McKenna Darling Getz. Come up closer.
I'm going to eat this piece of dog food.
And it is actually dog food. It came out of...
Look at this bag. You see how this...
Oh, no. Show them actually. Open it and put it back in and take out a piece.
Look it. Now look inside. Look it. On this, it's dog.
Yeah, bring it over the light.
Pure dog.
Yeah, pure dog food. You see that, people?
Now, if you look inside, it is dog food.
See, now,
so if I
take a piece.
drop that in, let's see, I'm going to take this piece, and then
zip it up.
I'm going to eat it.
Wait.
I already tried it once, so I want to try it because Faith wants to put this on YouTube.
No, she's just a insanely daredevil. Do it. Eat it. Chew it. Make sure you swallow it. Now open your mouth to make sure you have to swallow it. You have to swallow it.
Oh my god.
I can't believe you ate dog food. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Peace out, people. To the insanely weird person who ate